Could have been much worse, yes.
Kristen Pugh talking about the fire at this home in northwest Oklahoma City. Sunday night around 7, she was napping in her bedroom when
I just woke to the fire alarm going off and the couch is on fire.
The couch is on fire?
Yeah.
The smoke alarms went off and alerted me to get up and check what was going on, and noticed there was flames and called 911 and got out.
It's thought the blaze started by a faulty lamp cord. It caused quite a bit of damage, but no one was hurt. The alarm, it didn't fare as well.
We're very thankful for the smoke alarms.
Darlene Brower has lived in the home for nearly 20 years. She was not there when her granddaughter called 911, but tells me her grandson was an Eagle Scout. Helped fire officials install that detector along with 900 others in homes across the metro.
Seeing that it saved somebody's life, down the line gives the program that much more importance for us.
Macy talking about the program Oklahoma City Fire has set up to install detectors in homes across Oklahoma City.
We'll send one of our fire trucks out. They carry smoke alarms, and they'll actually install them and make sure that they're installed per the fire code here in the city of Oklahoma City.
As for Kristen and Darlene, they're happy they had a working detector in their home and have some advice for others.
We are a believer in smoke alarms.
Make sure they're working, make sure the batteries are working.